GoalSeek answers what input do I need, while Solver answers what's the best combination of inputs. Together, they turn Excel into a decision optimization engine. GoalSeek finds the input value needed to reach a target result. Set which cell you want to reach a specific value by changing which input cell. It solves break-even points, required sales targets, and loan payments instantly. Solver optimizes an objective cell by changing multiple input cells, subject to constraints. Use it for portfolio optimization, production scheduling, resource allocation, and any problem with multiple variables and limits. I walked through 3 scenarios: finding the price point for break-even, optimizing a product mix under budget constraints, and minimizing shipping costs across warehouse locations. Live demonstration of GoalSeek solving a break-even analysis in 10 seconds. Then Solver optimizing a product mix with 5 variables and 8 constraints. Both solutions are verified against manual calculations. GoalSeek and Solver are hidden gems that most Excel users never discover. Subscribe to unlock more Excel superpowers for business analysis.